Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off, unplug, and ground yourself to avoid ESD. Once grounded, flip the Tuf A15 and remove the 10 screws securing the bottom panel. Use a plastic pry to lift, don't force clips. Make sure you've identified the drive bay type, M, 2 NVMe or 2. 5. SATA. While you have the panel off, locate the existing SSD and its mounting screw so you know where the new drive will sit. This prep prevents damage and speeds the swap. Once open, remove the M2 screw and slide the module out at about a 30-45 degree angle. You'll feel the connector release. If you're swapping a 2.5 drive, unplug the SATA cable, remove the mounting bracket, and transfer it to the new drive before reconnecting. When installing the M2, seat the card fully into the socket, lower it flat and secure with the screw. Make sure contacts are clean and the screw is snug, not stripped. Close the panel enough to boot for verification. You'll boot to BIOS first to confirm the new SSD appears. Adjust boot order if needed. Once detected, clone your old drive using imaging software or reinstall the OS from a USB installer. Cloning preserves settings and saves time. After cloning, make sure Windows recognizes the full capacity and extend partitions if required. If the drive isn't detected or won't boot, power down, reseat the connector and screw, update BIOS firmware, and verify SATA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.